Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Kraken Area in Fisch Roblox step by step. Start at the beach spawn and head northwest toward the lighthouse, keeping the coastline on your left. Move past the sunken ship landmark and watch for glowing coral clusters. Use a grappling hook or diving gear to descend into the trench slowly while avoiding aggressive NPCs, and look for a cavern entrance marked by bioluminescent tentacles. You need specific gear to reach the Kraken area safely. Equip diving gear or a swim boost to handle deep water pressure, and bring a grappling hook for vertical drops. Pack healing potions and a reliable light source because darkness hides ambushes. Check your inventory space for loot and bring teammates for easier fights. With preparation, you can explore confidently and avoid unnecessary respawns while reaching the hidden cavern. Approach the trench slowly and follow glowing markers to the cavern entrance. Use your grappling hook on rock ledges to bypass strong currents and reach narrow tunnels safely. Clear smaller enemies first so you don't get swarmed when the main Kraken encounter begins. Move as a team if possible, focus fire on tentacles, and watch for environmental hazards. Take your time and claim any hidden chests tucked inside passages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.